From the outset, we were really keen to emphasize the most distinctive thing about Tai Kwun. Old meets new, the collision and the inspiration that comes from those two very defining features. And these refreshed artist studios now really embody that aspiration for artists to create a vibrant artistic community on site here, right in the heart of Central. We're sitting here in a building which was designed as domestic quarters for the married sergeants from the Victorian era. And working with IKEA, we got the chance to give a new perspective and contemporary lens on Tai Kwun's heritage, which touches a sense of sentimentality that we can relate to because it was, for many of us, within our lifetimes.
IKEA 香港自1975年以嚟嘅發展歷史，致力於為每個家庭創造更舒適、更美好嘅生活。昔日嘅2分景象宿舍，或者現時嘅大館藝術家工作室，都係一個家。
The most exciting moment was when we brought those artists together with the design team from IKEA to really hear what they appreciated about these spaces, what they felt could be improved through design, and then to see these amazing results.
首先，我哋會重現70年代國際現代風桃木式嘅家私，配搭一啲沉穩嘅色調。然後我哋就會展現80年代嘅北歐現代風格，以簡約同埋實用為主軸。我哋轉向90年代，融入咗瑞典傳統民族同埋文化元素。跟住就係2010年代，以經典北歐現代風格為主題嘅共享空間。壓軸房就以高科技為主軸，再以少量嘅鮮黃同埋鮮綠嚟到點綴，好有 cyber feel。我哋每個空間都暗藏功能，可以俾藝術家喺唔同年代揾到佢哋無限嘅創作靈感。
The studios have a greater range of functionality, and yet they are beautiful, refreshed spaces which really make you want to hang out in them. I love the fact that these rooms all connect to each other, so they encourage a kind of cross-pollination of art forms and dialogues, which I think is what Tai Kwun is really about.
今次 IKEA 將50年嘅現代設計融入一個過百年歷史嘅古蹟建築，俾歷史同埋家居設計展開一場無聲嘅對話。翻新嘅過程最大嘅挑戰係因為大館係古蹟，團隊好巧妙咁運用咗柔和嘅色系嘅特色牆，平衡生活嘅美學溫度，又確保家私嘅安全同埋穩定性。
Our partnership with IKEA is a wonderful thing to be able to reconcile the heritage nature of this building and its artistic future. This refurbishment of the artist studios is perfectly timed to meet our 7th anniversary. This has given us a great opportunity to reflect the hopes and aspirations and needs of the creative community that we've built up in the last 7 years.